Photogrammetry doesn't always work on the first try. I've failed plenty of times. Look at this Pikachu. Let's diagnose and fix the most common problems you'll encounter. If structure from motion produces no point cloud or very few points, it's probably your data set. This may be insufficient photo overlap, which is really common. Maybe your photos are too different, such as the lighting changed or your object moved. Maybe it's a featureless object. It's plain white, solid colors, and the software can't tell the difference or extract features. Maybe your images don't have EXIF data. This can be somewhat remedied, but it's usually good to use an actual camera. Here's how to fix it. Just retake the photos. Take the L and learn from your mistakes. Retake photos with more overlap. Ensure the lighting is consistent. Add texture to plain objects. Put them on a textured surface. Add little sticky dots onto the object. Check your photos have EXIF data. Your model has gaps or missing areas. It's probable that some areas weren't photographed from enough angles, or there's reflective and transparent surfaces, or maybe something was just in the way when you photographed it. Add some more photos of problematic areas. Reduce the mesh quality slightly. Sometimes this can smooth out holes. Use the meshing node's max input points to increase the density. Accept it and fill in the holes in external software like Blender or MeshLab. Rhino has automatic features for this. If the model is stretched, warped, or the wrong proportions, this may be because you had inconsistent camera distance, or you were shooting from extreme angles or perspectives. Maybe the object was moving around. So, again, you might have to reshoot, maintain a consistent distance, and avoid extreme angles or real close-ups. In structure from motion settings, try different describer types. For architectural work, use known camera intrinsics if you know your lens specs. If the mesh looks good but textures are blurry or misaligned, this may be because there's some motion blur in the photos, or the photos themselves are blurry. Inconsistent lighting causing color shifts. Your texture resolution was too low. How to fix? Retake with faster shutter speed. In the texturing node, increase texture size. Ensure all photos are sharp. Use best score texture downscale method. Most issues come down to photo quality. When in doubt, more photos, more overlap, better lighting, and sharper focus. Meshroom can work miracles, but garbage in equals garbage out.